Hi there guys. Okay, so now what I'm showing you here is I'm cooking the Florida bolete mushrooms that I showed in my video where I was in the parking lot and I found these mushrooms, okay? So how I've cooked them is it's probably about a quarter cup of olive oil, a couple of cloves of garlic, salt, and pepper. And I'm going to let these cook down until they end up looking like this. So these I cooked, and again, you know, for probably half an hour in boiling olive oil with garlic and salt. I did not add the pepper because I forgot, honestly, and I always cook mushrooms with a lot of pepper. These mushrooms have a very mild flavor, so I think you do need to put pepper here. So the recipe that I would use is olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper, okay? So back to the boiling mushrooms. This is my 8-inch pan. You guys have seen me use my 8-inch pan. And right now the water is coming out and it's going to cook down. And there's a lot of water in mushrooms, right? So this will be cooking for about 30 minutes. I washed the mushrooms several times. I removed the yellow pore that's underneath the mushroom cap, threw it away. Some of the stems were very woody, so I threw most of the stems away. There's a few, here's a stem. So there's a few stems in here. And that's pretty much it. Wash it thoroughly and then cook it for 30 minutes or so. If you don't want to cook it that long, you don't have to. But I like to get this result right here of a nice brown mushroom, okay? So I hope you like this video. Check out my other video where I show you where I found the mushrooms and what they look like before I cut them up. See you in my next video. Bye guys.